Hello everyone. Can you imagine a country who has abundance amount of missiles but its population are still struggling for a single meal? Yes, I'm talking about North Korea or Democratic People's Republic of Korea. You will surprised to know its authoritarian leader Kim Jong-un, who directly challenged world superpower United States but unable to feed its 25.7 million population. The road in this country seems deserted. People are in harsh human crisis.
North Korea is facing a food shortage of around 860,000 tons this year. The United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization forecast warning the country could experience a harsh lean period as early as next month. The impoverished country, which is under multiple sets of international sanctions over its nuclear weapons and ballistic missile programs, has long struggled to feed itself. Last year, the coronavirus pandemic and a series of summer storms and flood added yet more pressure on flagging economy. And Pyongyang admitted last month it was tackling a current food crisis.
According to FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, this country was projected to produce 5.6 million tons grain this year. Also, they were planned to import 205,000 tons of grain from outside. But this isolated country unable to do so.
Humanitarian agencies and concerned countries are especially worried about the present crisis as a few months back. Kim had said that the North Korea will have to wage another more difficult, arduous march that was a reference to a period of famine that the country had suffered in the 1990s, right after the collapse of Soviet Union, when the flow of aid to the country was severely disrupted.
Food items in this country are increasing with a bullet train speed, but its leader has no worry about this. Although first time this country leader Kim Jong-un has acknowledged that his country is facing such kind of food crisis.
Pyongyang sealed its border in January last year to protect itself against the coronavirus pandemic. As a result, trade with Beijing, its economic lifeline, has slowed to a trickle while all international aid workers have left the country. A series of typhoons last summer triggered floods that destroyed thousands of homes and overburdened farmland.
Although all watchdogs of the world has blamed its leader Kim Jong-un for such kind of mismanagement and wrong policies for his country. Because of him and his forefathers, the country is suffering a lot. To talk about the Pyongyang relation with the New Delhi set up relation with Pyongyang in 1962. In the harsh health crisis, last year India gave worth of 1 million of medicine to North Korea. Importantly, many tourists from India has visited this country. Although this country is not considered to be safe for the travel purposes due to many restrictions and the internet ban in this country. Thank you for watching this video. You may give your suggestion in the comment section. Also, we will come with a new global relation next week. Stay tuned with us. Do subscribe our channel and share as much as you can. Bye bye.